Hey, what's up? I'm back with another video, and today I want to tell you about Vankyo C751 wireless headphones. We have already tested products from Vankyo company, but those were projectors. As you can see, Vankyo also has wireless headphones and even tablets. Talking about Vankyo C751 headphones, they have Active Noise Cancellation, Bluetooth 5.0, CVC 8.0 microphone, USB Type-C charging port, and 30 hours of playtime. The price of these headphones is only $60 on Amazon. Now you know the main features of Vankyo C751, so let's do unboxing and test of them. The headphones come in this nice box. There is the image of product, company logo and model name, as well as Active Noise Cancelling on the front side. The list with main features is on the back, such as lightweight design for comfortable fit, hi-fi stereo sound, 30 hours of battery life, etc. Inside the box there is a hard case that protects the headphones from damage during transportation. Opening the case, you will find the headphones themselves, user manual, USB Type-C charging cable, 3.5mm audio cable, and airplane adapter. Looks like Vankyo company just recently started making wireless headphones. However, Vankyo C751 have a very good build quality. Just look at these big and soft ear cups as well as headband. On the left and right sides you can see Vankyo logos. By the way, the handband is made of metal and it is adjustable. The outside of ear cups has a shiny design. This makes the headphones look very expensive. You should know that ear cups are also adjustable. You can move them forward and backward. To be honest, I have never seen anything like it on other headphones before. Of course, Vankyo C751 are folding headphones. In this way, they take up much less space and fit into the case. Now let's look at ear cups closer. On the left ear cup, we can see USB Type-C charging port and LED indicator. On the other ear cup, there is power and Bluetooth button, ANC button, volume up-down, as well as next, previous track. And the last button is play pause or answer reject the call. There is also 3.5mm audio jack. You know, Vankyo C751 are one of the most comfortable headphones that I have ever tested. I think that because of really big and soft ear cushions. Okay, now let's connect the headphones to smartphone and then talk about sound quality. Vankyo C751 support Bluetooth 5.0, but also the headphones have 3.5mm audio jack. It means that you can connect the headphones to your smartphone or any other device wirelessly, as well as using an audio cable. Just plug in audio cable from the package to headphones and your phone. That's all. If you want to connect wirelessly, then go to Bluetooth settings menu on your phone and choose Vankyo C751. Talking about sound quality, the headphones are equipped with dual 40mm drivers. The sound is clean and detailed. By the way, the headphones have 5 built-in EQ modes, such as pop, classic, rock, jazz and voice. You just need to double press on the volume down to choose the mode. That's a very good idea, because some people prefer listen to jazz, while another just listen to podcasts. Another feature of Vankyo C751 is Active Noise Cancellation. The manufacturer says that ANC reduces ambient noises by up to 90%. The sound quality with ANC is really different from without it. It is cleaner. By the way, the headphones also have a CVC 8.0 microphone. You can answer the phone calls using the headphones. This is a very useful function, and the mic quality is pretty good. As for the battery, the manufacturer promises 30 hours of playtime on a single charge. However, that's with ANC off. If you use Active Noise Cancellation, then the battery life will be about 10 hours. I like that Vankyo C751 is equipped with USB Type-C port, so you don't have to take micro USB cable with you to charge the headphones. You can use the charging cable from smartphone. So the main features of Vankyo C751 are high build quality and really big and comfortable ear cups. These are one of the most comfortable headphones that I have tested. Also, Vankyo C751 have Active Noise Cancellation, 5 built-in EQ modes, CVC 8.0 microphone, and USB Type-C port. Yes, USB-C is a very useful feature, because most headphones still come with micro USB charging port. The price of Vankyo C751 is $60. If you liked the headphones as much as I did, I will leave the link to Amazon in the description. Thank you for watching this video. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.